Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 10 top stories we are covering today. James Bond is the latest major Switch 2 port to get delayed. IO Interactive's James Bond game, 7 First Light, has been delayed for its Nintendo Switch 2 release and will now launch later this summer alongside other console versions on May 27, 2026. The delay was confirmed in response to an online leak alleging the Switch 2 port had been indefinitely delayed. This is not the first game to face porting issues. Borderlands 4 experienced a similar delay last fall. AI could democratize one of tech's most valuable resources. Nvidia's domination in AI chips could face growing competition as a startup called Wafer trains AI models to optimize code for efficient use on specific chips. The company uses reinforcement learning on open-source models to teach them to write kernel code, which interacts directly with hardware in an operating system. This could potentially democratize one of tech's most valuable resources. Sony's PS5 price hikes prove this console generation is far from over. Good. Sony's PlayStation 5 price increases indicate that the current console generation may last longer than usual. Historically, consoles have seen significant discounts 5 years into their life cycle. However, this trend has not been observed with the PS5. The increase in prices can be attributed to the rise in RAM and SSD storage costs due to the AI bubble, affecting Sony's memory card business as well. Hold on to your hardware. The hardware industry is experiencing a shift that may lead to higher prices and limited consumer choice in the future, as hardware, power, and control move towards data centers and away from individuals. Memory, storage, and processing speeds have become less affordable over time, with this trend expected to continue. As a result, it is advised for consumers to hold on to their existing hardware, as they may not be able to replace it affordably in the future. PlayStation prices increasing next week. Prepare for $900 for a PS5 Pro. Sony is increasing PlayStation prices for the second time since 2025, with the PlayStation 5 Pro set to cost $900 starting April 2nd. The PS5 Digital Edition will rise to $600 and the standard PS5 to $650. This follows similar price increases by Microsoft and Nintendo last year. My go-to electric screwdriver is on sale for over 50% off today. Fantix's S1 Pro electric screwdriver, known for its stylish design, is available on Amazon for $39.99, $50 off, with promo code YBRS9843. The lightweight tool features a 220 RPM motor, 3 torque settings, and a circular LED light. It comes with a magnetic case that houses the screwdriver and 16 S2 hardened steel bits, along with a 2000 mAh battery capable of operating up to 340 screws. Use a gap cap to embed hardware in your next 3D print. The gap cap technique involves pausing a 3D print to insert hardware and covering it with a lid before resuming the print. It seals in the part, fills empty space, and provides a flat surface for subsequent layers, making the process cleaner and more reliable. This technique is particularly useful for embedding large or non-flat objects into prints, as filament may not adhere well to hardware without a gap cap. Nvidia needs to remind itself what PC gamers actually want. Nvidia's new 6X dynamic multi-frame generation technology aims to improve game performance on PC, but users have found it difficult to implement, even with supported hardware. The feature is not yet available in any games natively and requires manual adjustments through the Nvidia Apps Graphics tab. Framework is teasing a lot of Linux for its April 21st event. Framework announces its commitment to personal computing with a focus on hardware that enables users to fully customize their devices, including the choice of OS and hardware modifications. The company aims to create a future where people can truly own their computing experience by maintaining control over their data and computations locally rather than relying on cloud services. Xiaomi 17 versus Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Sibling rivalry. Chinese tech giant Xiaomi has launched its flagship 17 series, featuring the Xiaomi 17 and Xiaomi 17 Ultra smartphones with premium Android phones boasting top-of-the-line hardware, versatile camera systems, and powerful batteries for fast charging. The Xiaomi 17 offers a compact design for one-handed usage, while the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is targeted at photography enthusiasts with its unique rear camera setup and vibrant display. Please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this channel.